You know, the year of 1983 was very important for the automotive industry. Chrysler introduced the very first minivan, the Dodge Caravan, in 1983. President Reagan made the global positioning system available to consumers. Also, Return of the Jedi, the Star Wars movie, was released in 1983. And Volkswagen introduced the Rabbit, a hatchback with a hot hatch and a sporty vehicle called the Rabbit because it really had a lot of get up and go. For 2019, Volkswagen has chosen to bring the Rabbit back. It comes hopping back into the lineup in the GTI. And it still has that sporty look and sporty feel, but it's a little more stylish to today's standards. The 2019 VW Golf GTI Rabbit Edition is actually a 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder hatchback. Some of the features in this 2019 Golf GTI Rabbit Edition 228 horsepower engine, first of all, automatic start-stop system to help save on fuel. I found this one to be a little clunky, so it has a manual override. You can just turn it off and that becomes sort of a habit after a while. We got the 2019 Volkswagen Golf GTI Rabbit. Fun to drive, a little sporty car. Some of the other features in this Rabbit Edition include 18-inch black alloy wheels. You've got a spoiler in the rear. You've got plaid inserts into the seats. They call it the Clark Plaid inserts, named after my father, I'm sure. Not really, but most importantly, it's got the little Rabbit badge on the tail end of this 2019 Golf GTI. Because it's a real sporty turbo, you wouldn't necessarily expect to get the best gas mileage in a little hatchback like this, but in fact, you're going to get about 25 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on highway driving, so you're going to average out to 27, 28 miles per gallon. That's what we got in our week here with the Golf Rabbit. And it's a lot of fun to drive, really spunky, great turning radius. My daughter in her 20s, as soon as she saw it, she says, I love it. She felt very comfortable riding in this. So the MSRP for this 2019 VW Golf GTI Rabbit Edition was $29,995. This really didn't have any options in it that raised the price, so with tax and destination it came out to $30,890 as tested for this 2019 Golf GTI Rabbit Edition. Get hopping, it's a lot of fun.